Phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is another Mendelian disorder, genetic disorder, inheritable defect. Phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive trait because phenylketonuria is inherited by a recessive gene present on the 12th chromosome. It is an inborn error of metabolism. This is autosomal recessive trait because this defect is caused by a recessive gene on the 12th chromosome. Now, what is the disease? In normal man, in all normal human, an enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase is synthesized. Because of this enzyme, excess of phenylalanine, which is an amino acid, is converted to another amino acid, tyrosine. Phenylalanine is converted into tyrosine by enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase in normal human. But when mutation of the gene occurs, the gene on the 12th chromosome undergoes mutation. Due to mutation of the gene, the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase is not synthesized. There is no phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. Due to the lack of this enzyme, phenylalanine is now converted into phenylpyruvic acid. Phenylpyruvic acid. Phenylpyruvic acid now accumulates in the brain. It is also excreted by the kidneys in the urine because it is not reabsorbed. So it is eliminated in the urine. It also accumulates in the cerebrospinal fluid of the brain. As a result, it exerts multiple effects on the child, like intellectual disability, mental retardedness, behavioral problems. It causes damage of the brain, leading to intellectual disability, mental retardedness, behavioral problems. So this is about phenylketonuria.